Hello, everyone. My name is Rayo Daniel, and in this video, what I want to do is present a business opportunity to you that's probably unique to most people, and that's called affiliate marketing. Now, most people don't really understand what affiliate marketing is or how you can use affiliate marketing to make monthly reoccurring revenue for you and your family and actually create a business out of doing affiliate marketing. So before I continue here, let me just quickly explain what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just a way for you to drive customers to businesses, and then when they purchase either a product or service, then that business pays you for it. Now, here's the caveat to that. They can either pay you one time, like a big one for that one is people who do Amazon. If you're considered what they call an Amazon affiliate, then you would maybe you do like product reviews on YouTube, things like that for just any number of different items. And then you link the Amazon link in your description, which again takes you out to Amazon. You purchase it. Let's just say you purchase a $500 camera, and then Amazon would pay you a certain percentage of that. Let's just say 50 bucks or something like that for sending them a customer that purchased something from their website. Okay. So that's like how the products that work for Amazon or for individual product purchases. Now, you can also do this for people who want to sell courses. If you're looking to sell somebody else's course, you can make a lot more than $50 doing this. But personally, I don't like the product approach to doing affiliate marketing because it only pays you once. I'd much rather offer you a way to get monthly reoccurring revenue, meaning getting paid whenever somebody continues to use a certain service. Now, let me just give you a quick example. Let's just say, and this isn't an actual case, I'm just trying to help you understand with a very common app, Netflix. Let's just say that Netflix were to pay you so much money every month if you have somebody sign up under them. Now, let's just say every time somebody continues to pay for Netflix every single month, Netflix would send you a check for X amount of money. So as long as the people kept using Netflix and kept using their subscription service, they kept paying you every single month. And just imagine if you could get one client, 5 people, 10 people, 100 people, for example, to purchase Netflix because you're saying, hey, it's just so great. Check it out. It's a great streaming service. Then Netflix would continue to pay you every single month for one person, 5 people, even 100 people, as many people as you can send to them. They will keep paying you for that. That right there is the ultimate in affiliate marketing business, getting customers for software companies that have subscriptions. And these companies will continue to pay you a certain percentage of whatever their subscription is based upon their continued usage of the software. So that right there is just a real quick intro into affiliate marketing. Now, one of the things that people have problems with is how do I find these? There's a lot of different sites out there that do affiliate marketing and have offers that you could sell. But again, I'm looking at selling software subscriptions because this is what I call sticky, meaning every single month, as long as you work, you get a customer. And as long as that customer likes the software and continues to use it, again, the Netflix example, you continue to get paid every single month for that particular person. And you don't have to do any more work. See, the problem with the one dealing with products is once you sell a product, now you have to go out and find another customer and sell them again to make another $50, for example. So that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. And eventually that product, those product reviews and things like that will be replaced because they will come up with a new model or something like that. And then you have to start all over again. It's nice to find a software company. And I'm going to introduce you to a great one, by the way, here in this particular video, is finding a piece of software that is, for the most part, solid and not changing in its core fundamental features so that once you sell a customer, you can use that same marketing, the same videos, the same everything that you use to get the first customer. You can use that same material to get a second customer, a 10th customer, 100 customer if you wanted to. So this right here is what's so valuable about doing affiliate marketing when it comes to just actually selling software, especially if the software doesn't keep changing and things like that often, because now you could reuse your same material and you only have to create that material once. And then you can keep reusing it over and over again, whether that be like on YouTube, on social media, whatever it is. So one of the software companies that I'm personally an affiliate for, and I want to share it with you because I've had a great success with this company, is called GoHighlevel, often referred to as HighLevel, but you can go check them out at GoHighlevel.com. And actually, I'm going to show you some of their websites and show you just some of the features and so forth of where you can learn more about this. But this is a truly great opportunity to become an affiliate for HighLevel software because this software company has been around since 2018. They've been growing in leaps and bounds, and they're going to be one of the largest companies. They already are. They probably have 500,000 plus people using this software already, and they're continuing to gaining more and more traction every single day because they keep adding more and more features and making it better for again small businesses. So again, let me quickly explain. HighLevel is a small business sales and marketing platform. Literally, they have about everything that you could think of, from phone systems to websites to funnels to a whole bunch of other stuff that right now I don't want to overwhelm you because I don't want you to think that you have to learn all this stuff in order to sell it. You can really focus on one small component of the GoHighlevel platform and then focus on selling that to people and showing people that, because really all you have to do is introduce the software to people that are already using software similar to the GoHighlevel platform, but they may be paying a lot more for it. The GoHighlevel platform, again, I'm gonna go over some of the pricing structures and things like that. But for the most part, I want to at least introduce this to you because you can start on this small, start on the very small scale, get one customer, get two customers, and the biggest thing is signing up for this affiliate program doesn't cost you anything. So let's hop in and take a look. So right now, I'm actually at the GoHighlevel.com main website page. So I would encourage you to go check it out and go see what this is all about. Now they just redid the page, but what I'm going to do is I really want to sit back and just slowly scroll in here. And again, this kind of goes over everything. I don't want to waste time if you're going to go take a look at this. But some of the things I want to sit back and show you are unfortunately down here toward the bottom. And really what it is like a matrix chart. This right here. So this right here is what makes GoHighlevel platform so successful. Now, people, if you are already doing something regarding digital marketing, you could be doing social media management, any your website design, something like that. You're probably very close to being able to start an affiliate business with GoHighlevel very quickly because you probably already know, familiar with, or even do business with people that use these kinds of software systems. So CRM and pipeline management. Of course, businesses need a place to store their customers and things like that. So a CRM, a customer relationship management system, they need that. So what do other companies charge? 100, 200, multiple $100s a month. Some people need sales funnels, website builders. Again, how much does it cost for companies to build and host a website these days? This software can do it for you, okay, and host your website for you and ultimately end up saving you money. So all of these features that you see right here, and I'm just going to blow this up for just a little bit here, but all of these things are what the GoHighlevel platform can do. Email marketing, two-way SMS, texting back and forth. It has an AI feature built into it that you can literally automate people's businesses from answering the phones to responding to people on your website, getting sales and booking appointments automatically. I'm using this particular platform, and it's all included in the pricing structure that I'm going to show you here shortly. But this thing has workflows, calendars, call tracking. If you're looking for Google reviews, it's got reputation management built into it. It's got community. So if you've ever heard of some of these places where like it's kind of similar to like a Facebook group, but it's a community that you can have people log into and converse back and forth about, and you can even charge people to be a member of your community and make more money every month off of this every single month. So there's so many possibilities of you making money with the GoHighlevel platform. And again, signing up for this is completely free. And GoHighlevel not just offers you a free sign up for this, they have a whole entire department inside of the GoHighlevel platform dedicated to affiliates. Every week, they do 2 calls on a day, depending on which you can make, but they have 2 calls specifically for affiliates to answer questions, to help train you. They have training that they will give you for free on how to sell the software, how to do social media posts, how to do your own marketing. All of that stuff is given to you once you sign up as a GoHighlevel affiliate. And again, it doesn't cost you anything to sign up and to go through this education and training. Okay, therefore you're not having to pay anything every month like some of these other affiliate programs to join them, and you have to pay their software costs every month until you learn how it works. Joining GoHighlevel's affiliate program is absolutely free. Okay, now I want to show you some of the things that you're going to be actually selling. These are their 3 platforms. Okay, they have the $97 a month program that's really meant for small businesses to run their own software. So just going quickly back to here, if businesses that already use some of these softwares, again, you see their logos right here. If they're already using this software, they're already paying for software to run their business. All you're doing is saying, hey, I know another software platform that includes all the stuff that you're paying for, and it's much cheaper than your total monthly expenses for your software costs. So just keep in mind, imagine if a company can switch to $97 a month to have all of the tools they need to run their business. And they don't have to pay $97 a month for the CRM, $97 a month for the email, for sending out emails or for text emails or things like that. All of that stuff can be included for $97 a month. You could be literally saving them hundreds of dollars a month by just telling them about the GoHighlevel platform and allowing them to switch over to it. So again, I've talked about the affiliate program. Now I'm going to wow you here. I'm going to go over some of these other packages real quick. But GoHighlevel, what do they offer you besides signing up for free and giving you all the education and training that you need to be a great affiliate? They even assign you an affiliate manager, a person who's dedicated, who works with you one-on-one, most likely on a weekly basis, to help you become a good affiliate, because they want people that the GoHighlevel platform really doesn't have a sales team. They count on their affiliates to sell their software for them. Now, here's the thing that's going to blow your mind. Do you see all the prices that you get here? These prices, you get to keep 40%. That's correct. 40% of the monthly revenue that you actually generate for GoHighlevel, they pay you back every month as long as the people continue to use the software. So that means roughly for this particular $97 a month, you're going to be making about $38 or something like that each month off each customer. And once you sign them up and they start using the software and they're successfully using it, next month, you don't have to worry about going out and finding another customer like a product based to make another $38. And as an example, you make that $38 every single month. as long as the person continues to use the software, and it becomes cumulative. So as you begin working, you pick up one customer this month, two customers the next month, maybe 10 the next month. Now you have 1 plus 2 plus 10, 14 customers paying you in month 3, making monthly recurring revenue. And all you have to do is just simply make them aware that the GoHighlevel platform exists and what the features are and things like that. Again, the GoHighlevel platform offers you training on all of this. Now, besides doing this smaller $97 plan, which again, $38 may not seem really worth it, but when you start coming up here to the $297 and even the $497 plan, now the $497 is really for people who actually want to create a business with the GoHighlevel platform and actually start selling this software to small businesses every single month. That's called software as a service. You can actually, if you want to, you don't have to just be an affiliate. You can be an affiliate and you can actually purchase the software yourself and resell it out to small businesses if you want to. But that's another video. I'm just simply trying to introduce you to the platform of being a GoHighlevel affiliate, what they offer you, and how much money you can make if you're already in this particular industry. You can get clients very quickly and very rapidly. So again, with the $297 plan, this is unlimited. Over on the $97 plan, again, this is for small businesses that just do things themselves. The $297 plan allows people to have an unlimited number of clients so they can continue to sell the software for as much as they want. So they can have a client paying them $200 a month and have 200 clients paying, and you just pay $297 a month to HighLevel every single month. That's all you do. So these prices that you see here are fixed for the person that buys the software, but they can turn around and resell it, and really what they call white label it, meaning GoHighlevel lets you put your logo on their software and resell it like it's your own. Okay. And this is the type of people that you're trying to attract. People that already have that type of business that could be paying a lot more in software costs than what the GoHighlevel platform charges. And again, finally, we have the sort of Mac Daddy Cadillac plan that offers a ton of other revenue generating capabilities at $497 a month. Now, again, just real quick, this plan pays about $38 a month. This one is about $119 a month. This one right here is about $198 a month. So imagine if you're accumulating these people at $198 a month and you get 10 customers, just 10. That is $1,980 a month that you're making recurring every single month without you ever having to do anything else once you sign the people up. This is awesome. This is completely awesome to have a passive type of business like this that you can build and make money. And yes, people have quit their 9-to-5 jobs as a result of this. So great. I think I might have gotten you at least excited about the opportunity for doing this. Go check out the GoHighlevel website. I advise you to spend some time on this to get signed up. Simply come here if you want to. This is my YouTube channel. Again, my name is Ray O'Daniel. Go to YouTube, search for it. If you take a look here, this right here is my channel's description, HL guy, HighLevel guy. So that's what it is. And what I would suggest you do is come here and actually click on this little search bar right here. And what you're going to search for is you're going to search for the term GoHighlevel review. Okay. And what you're going to do is this is about a 30-minute video that I created that goes over all the benefits of the GoHighlevel platform. And it's just really beneficial. It's well worth your time to sit back and spend 30 minutes watching it to give you an idea of all the things that the software could do and how as an affiliate you can become successful just simply letting other businesses know that this software exists. Again, you're not trying to sell them on it. You're just trying to say, hey, would you like to decrease your software costs every month from $400 a month to $97 a month? And you actually get more features with your monthly software. Would that be worth it to you? And just introduce it. That's all it takes. That would be all it takes. And if somebody took a look at this and go, wow, this is great. I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Just make sure they sign up using your affiliate link. Now that I've shown you how to do this, I at least want to give you the ability to sign up for this and see where to go. Now, I have to open up an incognito window on this one because I don't want this to pull up my affiliate. But what I'm going to do is you're going to go to GoHighlevel.firstpromoter.com. Now, I'm going to have that link in the description of this video, so don't worry about trying to remember it. But this right here is the sign-up subscription that you get. HighLevel is the best way for marketing agencies to not only grow their business, but to help them grow it. And join today, you get 40% recurring commissions for life of any active account you sign up. Now, again, the account has to be active, which means, they have to continue to use the software. But HighLevel says, hey, as long as they pay me, I'll pay you. So right now, you're going to sign up with an email, first name, company name, and you're going to set up your password. This is a way for you to get signed up for the GoHighlevel platform. If you don't have any account with HighLevel, if you do have an account with HighLevel, then you want to make sure you log in here, and that takes you to like a different screen. But again, you don't have to pay for anything. If you want to become just an affiliate of the GoHighlevel program, get your own affiliate manager, go through the training that happens every week on Zoom with the GoHighlevel affiliate team. They can do all of that. This is a great program. You won't regret checking into it. And if you can, just let them know that you signed up under me. My name again is, my affiliate ID is Ray O'Daniel, just spelled out. And again, I'll have that in the description of this video. Let them know that. And then that way, at least I get credit for you signing up. I appreciate it. And then I'm also here to help you grow as well. Guys, thank you for checking in with me and have a great day. I hope you move forward, get this thing signed, start this thing. You won't regret it. Bye, guys.